Welcome to Daily English Flow. Whoa! This is so fast! Oh, hi everyone! Welcome to the Sapporo Snow Festival! We are at the Tsu-dome site.
Today, we're going to Otaru by train.
But first, let's play in the snow together.
Eva, wait for me. I want to try the tube slide too.
Please sit in the middle. Hold on tight. Ready, steady, go!
Here we go. Whee! That was incredible. Let's try the ice slide next.
Whoa! It's real ice! So beautiful! It's like a crystal. Ready? 3, 2, 1! That was so fun!
Look, it's Into the Snow Kids.
There are funny shapes in the snow wall.
Wow! I fit perfectly inside. Take a photo of us.
Haha, we're taking it now. Smile. It's getting cold. Let's go inside the dome.
It's so warm in here. There's a big slide and a giant bouncer.
Wow! The Hokkaido bouncer looks so much fun.
I'm higher than you are! No way! Watch this jump!
Yeah, here we go! This is amazing! I love this!
The kids are having so much fun. Tsudome is great because we can play inside when it's cold. Shall we choose our lunch?
We can enjoy local food like zangi, ramen, pizzas, and crepes too.
What is zangi?
Zangi is Hokkaido-style fried chicken. It's very crispy and juicy.
That sounds delicious. I want to try it. Oh, Mark, did you get ramen again? We had ramen last night too.
Yeah, but Hokkaido ramen is too delicious. This time, I'm getting Asahikawa ramen.
After lunch, let's go to Otaru. We will take the JR train from Sapporo Station.
We need to buy tickets for Otaru. Let's ask the staff. Excuse me, we want to buy tickets. Can we use a credit card?
Yes, use that machine. Select English, then Otaru.
We'd like to buy tickets for 3 adults and 1 child.
Just touch here. That is 2,620 yen in total.
Thank you very much. Okay, everyone, here are your tickets.
Wait! Is that a sandwich vending machine?
No way! I've never seen that before.
I want to try one.
Okay, Jack, put your ticket in your pocket for a moment. Let's buy one and go to the platform.
It's so cool! It's fresh and cold.
Absolutely. Okay, let's go.
Wait! Oh no! My ticket is gone. I can't find it.
Don't panic, Jack. Check your coat pocket.
It's not here. Mom, what should I do?
Go and ask the staff. The desk is next to the ticket gate. I'm right here with you.
Excuse me. I lost my ticket.
Oh,
When and where did you lose it?
Maybe near the ticket machine? About 10 minutes ago.
Okay, let me check. Good news! Someone found a ticket. Please go to the Lost and Found.
Thank goodness! That's a relief. I was so worried. Thank you so much. Hello. I heard my ticket was found.
Ah, you're the boy from the phone. Here's your ticket.
Yes, that's mine. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Someone found it in front of the machine and brought it here. Sign here, please.
J-A-C-K. Done.
Thank you very much. I'm impressed. People here are so honest.
You're lucky, Jack. Keep it in a safe place this time. Let's be careful. Next stop, Otaru.
The rapid train is the fastest. It takes about 35 minutes.
Otaru Canal looks like a movie set. It's so beautiful.
Otaru Canal is a famous symbol of the city. It was built about 100 years ago.
Next, we're going to Kitaichi Glass and the Music Box Museum.
Everything is so shiny and colorful.
Is it okay to take photos?
Yes, it is. But please be careful. The glass is very fragile.
Everything is so beautiful. I can't decide what to buy.
Listen, I hear a sweet song. I want to buy a music box. It will be a great memory.
Why don't we go for sushi tonight? Otaru Sushi is famous.
Great. I practiced sushi etiquette with Rachel. It's time to use it. Today was full of surprises and great memories. See you in the next video. Bye for now.